Selling on Trading 212 involves executing a trade to close a position on a financial instrument. Here's a step-by-step guide. Log in. Sign in to your Trading 212 account using your credentials. Navigate to the instrument. Use the search bar or browse through the available financial instruments to locate the one you want to sell. Open position. If you haven't already, open a position on the instrument you wish to sell by clicking on the Buy button. Specify the trade size and other relevant parameters. Monitor position. Keep an eye on the performance of your position, including changes in price and market conditions. Decide to sell. When you're ready to sell, navigate to the instrument in your portfolio or trading platform. Place sell order. Click on the sell button to initiate the selling process. Specify the trade size and any other relevant parameters, such as stop loss or take profit levels. Review order. Double check the details of your sell order to ensure accuracy, including the trade size and price. Confirm sell order. Confirm the sell order to execute the trade and close your position on the instrument. Monitor confirmation. Monitor your account to ensure that the sell order is executed successfully. You should see the position close in your portfolio and any resulting profit or loss reflected in your account balance.